Hey guys, I want you guys to come play Animal Jam with me. So my username's well, one of mine is Cookie5, Fuzzy Train, and Seal1242. So come on, go on Animal Jam and search me. And none of you guys would search me because everybody thinks my videos are boring, and that makes me sad. Anyway, I'm just gonna move the screen a little. So come on, play Animal Jam with me. Visit my dens. I have pretty creative dens, and I would be on my Cookie Swirl account all the time now. So please play Animal Jam with me. I want to be buddies because I only have 10 more space in my buddy box. So come on and play Animal Jam with me. Jam on.